Welcome! In this video we are going to see how you can use CSV repo in RedBird. So what we would like to do is to import from RedBird the redbird.repos, the CSV file repo. After that, what we would like to do is to create our repository. So we say that the repo is a CSV file repository. The file name is equal to test.csv, and we can specify the field names as a list. So let's give it the name, the age, and the height. And after that, what we can do is to use the repo.add Daniel 31 and 187 and the Florian 30 183 and the 29 Naomi. And after we execute this, so CSV repo, it expected the crude. So basically what we would like to do is to add it at most one argument. So what we would like to do is to add, how do we add? Name equals Daniel, age equals 31, and height equals 187. Let's comment this out and make it a dictionary. What's wrong? Age and height. And let's do it this way. All right, let's run it. So now, as you can see in the test CSV, we have received the values. Let's transform it a little bit more. So now we would like to do this for the two other. So Florian, Naomi, 30, 29, 180, 83. So this is how we can add to the repository, and we can see that they are in the CSV, and we can list the content of the repository. So for item in list repo, we can print item. There we go. And now we would like to update. So repo filter by name equals Naomi, and update age equals 29. And let's update it to 22. And if we were to go ahead and print it once again, we can see that the age was updated. We can also delete. And there we go. one other thing that we have to mention is that if you are using CSV repo this way, it is not going to verify whether the age is the appropriate type or the height, because everything will be treated as a string. Opposed to that, what we can do is to create a CSV repo 2.py, and let's use pydantic. So from pydantic dot import base model, then we can create our class called CSV demo, which is going to inherit from the base model. And we say that we have a name, which is a string, an age, which is an integer, and a height, which is also an integer. Then we can tell our CSV file repo to use the model from the CSV demo. And this way we will have built-in verification for the types of data that we want to work with. But apart from that, everything is the same. So see you in the next one.